day of the feast, as we like to say. And we are heading off to Port Everglades. A few of us are going to Port of Miami. It's ship inspection day, so we're going to be inspecting the MSCC side, the Harmony of the Seas, Carnival Serenade, and from Holland America tomorrow there is the, don't quote me, but it's been great. I've made some really good friends, and it's been such a grand opportunity just being here at the Broad Convention Center, just kind of hanging, chilling. Let me take you around a little bit so you can kind of see what's going on. So the coaches are all here and they're all lined up, and yeah, so the buses are here. They're going to be taking us to our various ports, and we're going to be doing our ship inspection. We are going to be fit and ready to offer the best trips to all our clients. And don't be surprised, because we are going to be sailing on some of these trips with you. But you know, all in all, it's been a great week. It's really been lots of education and lots of networking. So I'll tell you more when we board Harmony of the Seas. This is Sharon from Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. See you soon. So we are on the pier and we're all lined up. It's at least 1,000 agents. Okay, fine, I'm exaggerating. But there are just so many people here. We're all excited.
Some are not.
I know, right? There you go. And we're all just kind of excited. It's been a good week. Spent good time together, made new friends, made some partnerships that I'm thinking are gonna last a lifetime. Yes. And so yeah, we're here. So I will give you an update as soon as we board the ship, and I will tell you all that you're missing. Welcome aboard Harmony of the Seas. We are on deck 8, Central Park, and you know Central Park is on each of the Oasis class ships. So we've got Oasis of the Seas, Allure of the Seas, and the brand new baby Harmony of the Seas. It's the centerpiece of the ship in terms of activities and eateries and all of that. Lots of restaurants. The park cafe is here, and there's a floating bar that goes up and down, and of course Jam is Italian. So much to see, so much to do here on Central Park, deck 8, Harmony of the Seas. Oh my God, can you just imagine? I found this woman. I mean, we were just together in Oturis the other day, and now we are on Harmony of the Seas. Good to see you, baby. Good to see you, darling. Boy, I am having such a good time. Oh my goodness. There's so many Jamaicans working on board. I feel so at home. So I just saw Janet Dinner. Can you imagine? Oh, well, you saw that picture. I couldn't let that escape. This is wonderful.
Did you get the picture?
So this is lunch. I'm having the short ribs. I did tell you that. But you know, I have to have my fish. I'll tell you all about it, I promise. All right, later. So we're hearing a little bit about what goes on board, and this is on deck 5. Am I on deck 5? No, I'm on deck 6. So I just learned you've got dry slides and wet slides, so that's new to me. Just want you to take in the vibe on the ship, listen to the music a little bit. We're on deck 6. Mindfulness Cafe. In live and living color, harmony of the seas. It's embarkation day. It's busy, but it's so cool. And here's our guide Kelly waiting for us. Hi! Wondering where we are, what we're doing.
I just want to remind you guys, if you get lost, at 1:15 is our lunch down on deck 3. So just make sure to meet there. Yep, 1:15, okay? Deck 3, straight down. There will be